At the time of this recording, I am 31 years old. And if I could go back and talk to my 20-year-old self and give some advice on how to get rich a lot faster, here's what I would say. Number one, take advice from someone who is already where you want to be in life. No matter what realm you're looking at, whether it's building wealth, becoming married and getting a spouse, you want to look at somebody with a track record who has already done what you want to do. Too often times I see people seeking advice from the people that are closest to them, their friends, their family, their neighbors. But the problem is they're not where you want to be. So the best, most valuable piece of advice that I've learned is to always take advice from people that are where you want to be in life. Number two, progress over perfection. A lot of times when we're just getting started in business, we get this analysis paralysis stage where we would need everything to be perfectly lined up for us to accomplish whatever it is task that we're trying to do. But the reality is if you wait until all of the chips line up perfectly to a T to go and do whatever it is that you are wanting to do, the reality is you'll never be able to weather the storms that come your way when things hit the fan. So don't wait until the perfect opportunity to do whatever it is you're doing, whether you're trying to start a business, having a family, whatever that is. Progress over perfection. Number three, there is no stagnation in life or business for that matter. You are either growing and getting better and learning, or you're going backwards. You are either growing revenue in your business or going backwards. You are either being intentional with your time of getting better with your spouse, or you're going backwards. There is no stagnation. You choose what it is you want to do with your life. Number four, you only have one body. Take care of it. If something breaks, technology breaks, you would be able to go to Best Buy and get a new phone, get a new software, whatever that is. Your body is not a component that you can just go in and turn in and get back a new one. You have to take care of it. And I see so many people and individuals drinking tons of sugary drinks, eating fried foods, and just not taking care of their body, beating their body, not getting enough good sleep. Your body is a vehicle. And if you don't feed it with good fuel, how are you going to ever get anything done in your day when the foods that you're eating and the drinks that you're eating are bogging you down? You have one body. Take care of it, because you cannot just turn it in and get a new one. Hey, real quick, my business partner and I built a private school community for people just like you, trying to build their home service-based business from the ground up. We managed to build a 7-figure lawn business from the ground up, and we're sharing all of the SOPs, documents, and templates and systems inside of our coaching program. You get access to us, so click the link in the description below. Let's scale this thing together. Number five, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. You look at their finances, look at their relationships, look at how much gossip they're talking about, all of it, everything, what the activities that they like to do. You are, believe it or not, the average of the 5 people you surround yourself with and spend the most time with. So if your goal is to grow and get better, sometimes you have to purge, quote unquote, your friends. Sometimes if they're not pouring into you and giving you positivity and speaking into you and encouraging you to win, instead they're talking negative and gossiping and looking at it as it's a half full type viewpoint on whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish, believe it or not, you might need to get new friends and surround yourself with people that are going in the same direction as you. Now, before I get to number 6, I need your help. Click the pause button right after I give you this statement and scroll down. Put in the comments what your number 1 life lesson is that you learned from a coach or mentor. I am really curious to know. Share it with the comments in the comments below, so that way we can all learn and get better. Number 6, on the days that you feel like you're going to quit and everything is a disaster and you in your heart and soul are like, I can't do this anymore. We've all been there. Trust me, I've been there plenty of times in the last 5 years. Do not quit. Do not throw the towel in. Wait one more day. Wait one more week. Wait one more month. Just get through this season. If you can mentally shift your brain to go one more day, and on that day you feel like you're going to quit, go one more day, and you keep pushing it and delaying it back, what you'll find is you will get the best, biggest breakthrough when you push the limits. Every hurdle in the business, when I was ready to throw the towel in and I didn't, and I sought advice from coaches and mentors that were where I was and where I wanted to be, and they spoke life into me and they said, you know what, get through this season, and then in the off season, if you want to really throw the towel in, then do it then. But now you're not a quitter. Get through this season, figure it out, you'll be okay. And every single time I do that, I put my head down and I work hard and I overcome that hurdle. It is a massive breakthrough of stuff that happens after that. So wait one more day. Number 7, always improve yourself. If you can just get 1% better each and every day, you will be light years ahead of people years from now. Audiobooks, YouTube content, getting inside of a community of people that are actually winning and going the right direction as you, speaking into you, wanting you to win. Get around those kinds of people. Improve yourself every single day, and you will be light years ahead of all the competition, everybody to your right and to your left. Number 8, have higher lows and lower highs. What do I mean by that? Business, let alone just life, is a roller coaster. When everything is going great in the business, when everything is going great in your life, and you're like, wow, this is the best day ever. I'm getting married. The business is doing well. Whatever it is, do not ride that high. Do not do it. Be level-headed, stay cool, know what goes up will come down, just like the stock market. What goes up comes down. And just know there's going to be hard days. There's going to be great days. But if we can just stay steady, keep moving forward, you will be set up for success. Higher lows and lower highs. Also, when everything is breaking in your life, in your business, every bad thing that you can think of is happening, God is preparing you for something bigger and better. So just know it's not the worst. It's only up from here. When you hit rock bottom and you have absolutely hit the bottom, literally rock bottom, there's no way out but up. So just know it will get better, get through another day, and you will absolutely make it. And number 9, which is one of the most influential pieces of information that I ever received from a coach or mentor in my beginning days. Actions speak louder than words. It's so easy for us as business owners, entrepreneurs, think about, and even in life, be like, hey, we're going to do this, we're going to do that. Stop talking about it and actually put it into action. Stop talking about how you want to be a real estate investor. Stop talking about how you want to be a business owner and just do it. Literally do it. So many people I talk to, they have this vision and this dream of doing something for themselves and having the freedom of being your own boss. Stop talking about it and go do it. Put it into action. And rule number 2, progress over perfection. You don't have to wait till everything's perfect. So if you are in life thinking about doing something that's scary, stepping away from your job, starting a side hustle, asking that girl out, marrying your potential future spouse, do it. Take the next step, move forward, progress over perfection, and you can accomplish anything you want if you put your mind to it.